The most awaited notification related to MBA CET 2022 online registration is out on the CET Cell website. Visit cetcell.mahacet.org. This is the required link, and you just have to go through the complete website. It is getting updated. Okay, the portal takes time. The other dates will be added very soon. Right now the online registration dates are given that started on 17th of March 2022 and the last date is 7th of April 2022. You have enough time to register, so wait for 1 or 2 days and then you can definitely register. Now the registration process is very simple. Click on new registration and you can get started, and the user manual required for the online registration is also given on the CTCell website. Scroll down and you will see two links in the download section. This is the user manual where the complete process is explained. Yeah, how to do the online registration, the timeline, the dimensions of the photo, signature and everything, correct? And when you scroll down you will find information brochure as well. These are the documents that you should definitely read in and out so that you don't miss any information. Date related to exam is not out right now. The focus should be online registration process. Even IMS is going to release a video very soon. If you don't want to make any mistake, then please wait for the registration to be done. Okay, so that's it in this video. Go through the complete website, important dates. There are various pages on the website that will be updated very soon. And if you are MBA CET aspirant, then definitely subscribe to this channel, because we are going to come up with a lot of content that will definitely help you in the preparation. We have already started. The content is already uploaded. You can see there are so many videos that you should go through and it will help you in preparation. Don't forget to use the comment section for suggestions and queries. Thanks a lot for watching and stay connected.